Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Ahn & Company. It's Monday, December 19th. I'm going to go over the markets with you. A weaker start to this grain market here to start off the last 2 weeks of 2016. Hard to believe this is where we already are. You have a little bit of nervousness around this market. You really have that old logic that either the bear takes Thanksgiving and the bull takes Christmas, or the bull takes Thanksgiving and the bear takes Christmas. And you really did have a seasonal rally into Thanksgiving here, especially in the soybean market, that they're worried that the bear could show up for Christmas. And so it's old logic. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but you also have fundamental some news in Argentina. That's really the main reason you saw soybeans down 15 on the day. So soybeans down off the fact that Argentina did get some moisture. Looks like they should be getting some over the next week or two as well. They're still extremely dry. This doesn't solve all the problems, but if they continue to get some small rains in there, everything should be all right. They're definitely limping from rain to rain, but as long as they're getting it, things are going okay. Brazil's off to a fantastic start and really middle pace as well. Some of the earliest areas should be harvesting here pretty soon in the next 2 weeks in Brazil, but those are the very earliest areas, and then middle of January should be the heart of harvest for Brazil there. But for the most part, that fundamental news in soybeans was enough to push it lower, and then that took everything else down with it. Corn down 3, wheat market anywhere from 1 to 4 lower. Other situation into the meat market, some positivity there. Live cattle, feeder cattle, lean hogs all higher. Feeder cattle up about 60 cents. Live cattle up about 60, feeders up almost $1. Lean hogs front month up $1.40. It did come out last Friday that Wednesday to Wednesday managed money was big buyers into these meat markets. It kind of seems like they're sticking around. They're net long on all of the meats as of now, and they've also were aggressive buyers, so it looked like maybe a little bit more of that. You do have a cattle on feed here on the 23rd, so Friday. That should offer a lot of information. Placement numbers haven't been there the last couple reports, so it'll be interesting to see what they do with that number. Outside markets, extremely quiet, actually the quietest I've seen them in a long time. Crude market up 15 cents, dollar about steady, and then the Dow up 40 points, quickly approaching about 20,000 mark on the Dow, so huge move since the election. It'll be interesting to see if we can finish off 2016 as strong as we've really been pushing it this last month and a half or so. Moving forward, we'll have to see what exports do and if you get some sales. Otherwise, trade should be light with being a holiday week. I do have to close with a disclaimer. Trade in futures and options involves risk loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.